Hi, I'm David Stedgen from Empire Sports Physical Therapy and Rehabilitation here in Valley Cottage. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions about how to fix their stiff neck really fast. People coming in telling me that they wake up with their stiff neck, that it's just bothering them in the morning. They can't turn their head, that their neck gets stiff when they've been working on the computer, or that they notice that they can't turn their head while they're driving. Why is this happening? It's happening for a few reasons. People like to sleep curled up. When they sleep curled up, you spend 8 hours in this forward, curled up position. And the muscles aren't very happy in that position for 8 hours. Or if you're working on a laptop and you're here and you're working for hours and hours, the muscles get stiff again. Or if you've been driving and you'll see everybody driving, their hands there, they're like, okay, let me see. And then you never really have to turn. And that head being forward is so heavy and the muscles are doing so much work that they just get mad and they just stiffen up. They make it so you can't turn your head. They make it so that you don't feel good in the morning. Really, I want to talk to you about how to fix it. The best thing to do, obviously, the first thing is fix your posture. Stand up nice and tall, pull that head back, that nice military posture that everybody talks about. I know you feel like you're sticking your chest out. I know you feel like your head back here. You feel a little silly, but you'll feel silly, but your neck won't hurt. It'll come around real quick. The best exercise I can tell you is a chin tuck. It's not really a chin tuck. You're not tucking your chin back like this. You're taking your head and you're pulling it back over your shoulders. You're pulling that head like it's on top of a book and you just pull it back off of the book. That'll help to take the pressure off of it. That'll help to to calm the muscle down. It'll line the vertebrae up. You're even going to gain motion with it. You're going to be able to turn further after doing them. But what do you do? How do you want to do it? If we want to do it really, really fast, you could start with some heat for about 15 minutes, not too hot, just pleasantly warm. Do those chin tucks, pull that head back. Correct your posture. Think about your posture all the time. As often as you can think about your posture, you might need to get a second monitor if you're working on a laptop like this, just to pull that head up. Spend some time thinking about it. When your head is back, you're taking the pressure off those muscles. They won't be as stiff. They won't be as tired. You might want to sleep more in a straight position. The best key I give everybody is to get those knees down. Don't bring the knees up to the chest. You bring your knees up to your chest, you come down like this, and you're in this bad posture. You can stretch the tight muscle, pulling the head to the side, doing those types of things. Those are a little bit more advanced in the fact that everybody's muscle that's tight is different. That's where we come in. That's where we'll help you out if you need to, if it doesn't get there, if you want to go as fast as possible. The fastest way as possible is to get some therapy. But at this point in time, get that head back, pull your shoulders back. You'll improve. You'll sleep in a better position, sit in a better position. You'll start to feel like that neck is not bothering you as much. Hope this helps. If you want more information like this page, share it.